Hey friends, hope you're having a fantastic day. Before purchasing any of our vehicle assets, please watch this video till the end. If you already know some steps, feel free to skip ahead using the timeline below. Let's start with Part 1. Important note. When you buy this vehicle asset, you get the complete model, all the base functions, and detailed blueprints, just as listed. But advanced destruction features, like real-time vehicle deformation or glass shattering, are not included unless mentioned. For those effects, follow Parts 2 and 3 of this tutorial using our free setup files. These extras work only with the original asset. Part 2. Enable vehicle destruction. First, download the vehicle asset and switch it to your desired engine version. In this tutorial, we're using Ue5.1. Now download the file Ue5 from the description. Extract it and open the folder that matches your engine version. For example, 5.1 or 5.2. Inside, you'll see 3 folders: binaries, plugins, and source. Copy them. Paste them into your vehicle project folder. Next, go to the file called module.txt. Open and copy its contents. Then open your .ue project file in Notepad or VS Code. After the description line, hit Enter and paste the module code. Save and close the file. Now open the project, but don't hit play just yet. Go to Edit Plugins and enable these 3: Infinity Vehicle, Plugin, Chaos Car Glass, and City Sample Sensor Grid. Now go to Content, Infinity Vehicle, ABP, Vehicle, ABP Proxy Master. Make sure the node Copy Pose from Mesh exists. If it's missing, right-click the input pose pin, search Copy Pose from Mesh, and add it just like you see in the video. And that's it. You're now ready to experience real-time vehicle destruction. Part 3. Migrating the asset to your own project. Copy the content and config folders from the vehicle asset to your Unreal Engine project. Open your project and enable the given list of plugins shown on screen. In Project Settings, search for SM6 and enable it. Then restart the project. Now repeat the same steps from Part 2. Download Ue5 and extract. Copy binaries, plugins, and source folders into your project. Edit the .ue project file with the module.txt content. Enable the same 3 plugins again. Go to ABP Proxy Launch Master and ensure Copy Pose from Mesh is set up properly. Double-check your input settings as per the asset instructions. That's it. Enjoy a fully functional vehicle with damage, deformation, and glass destruction. Part 4. Extra features. Vehicle switching. Use the Editor Utility widget to switch between vehicle types directly in the editor. Interior details. The vehicle includes a working speedometer and tachometer, plus beautiful interior materials. Path tracing support. Great for stunning, cinematic quality rendering. Need help animating or recording the destruction sequence? There's a tutorial link in the description that'll guide you step by step. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll reply and share future updates there too. Thanks for watching.